Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook profile nickname. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on menu option, click on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Click on see more in account center. Click on profile. Tap on Facebook profile. Okay. Tap on name option and click on manage other names. Just click and name type nickname. Just click and type your nickname and change Facebook profile nickname. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.